Hi viewers, this is Boo from Boo's Beaters. It's a beautiful Friday morning. I'm driving to work. What I'm going to show you today is a beautification project, more or less. An attempt. No, it worked, I think, of my Fiat. We're going this weekend on a rally in a beautiful part of Wisconsin, bordering the Mississippi River, and we'll be cruising along with a bunch of other probably nicer old cars. And so I thought the least I could do is make my Fiat as pretty as possible. So, ooh, it's so nice. Watch this. Before I leave you, if all goes to plan today, before that, I'm going to go see another old car, which I'll update you on. I still haven't bought the Vanagon, but it's still for sale, and I'm still thinking about it. So thank you for all the feedback on Facebook and comments. More votes yes than no. I don't know what to do. So stay tuned. So what you're seeing here is a stripped out interior of a very cool car that I have yet to show you. It came partially stripped out, and I stripped out the rest. It's that old saying, break it till it's fixed. I kept doing one little thing that led to another little thing and another until you get what you see, which is an completely empty interior of a car. But what I'm proud of is it had some floor rust, not bad. I didn't have to change out the floor pans, but I stripped. I got out my sander, I stripped all the rust off, and I just got done doing what you're seeing here, which I've been having so much fun with that black goop, there it is, that I decided to carry on my way. I guess I'm in a singing mood. I'm underneath my Fiat, and you can see I'm prettifying it, which is something I like to do. One of the few things I'm actually good at. I painted the differential there red after I had changed the oil, and I'm going to have a separate thing on differentials, which probably sounds like the most boring thing in the world, but there's a reason I'm going to do it. And like a kid with a toy who's trying to find out how to use it, I've decided to take this Porsche 15, since I've been having so much fun, and slop it on some parts of the underbody because it will protect it. I don't take this car out in the rain or the snow much, but I did take it out in the snow last year by mistake. But what I'm going to do is cover up some of these exposed beams with this magic goop and protect it from the rust. So maybe I'll even start singing down here while I'm having fun. Carry on my wayward son. Do 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 da da da. I'm not singing anymore. I've had some problems, but I'm almost done. You can see my hands got a little messy because I had a brush failure. It's the brush's fault. But I'll show you in a second, once I clean my hands, how pretty it looks. So it's not all in vain, faithful viewers. My mess has a purpose. Well, I'm updating you on my progress with that secret car and the black goop I put on it. I thought I'd update you on one other cool thing. I live in the city, I don't have a huge amount of room, so I came up with a perfect plan. There's actually a car I haven't unveiled yet right behind me, and I'm not going to do that now, so we got to get around so you can't see it. Da-da-da-da-da. Here's my pride and joy. It's like my garage and a half. I got that, put it up last weekend, and it's great. I will see how it's windy right now. It's working right. I've got my Fiat in there, and I had faced the problem faced by so many people. My garage was so full of cars, I couldn't work. So now I've got it all opened up. Oh, can't see that car. And got bikes in there, room to work. I'm styling. And there is the garage and a half in all its glory. Woo! There it is. Now doesn't that look nice? Rain, come my way. I'm not scared of you. Neither is my Fiat.